The Bitcoin market, everybody, is about to go absurd. Hey everyone, this is Chris from Swap and Go, and yes, the Bitcoin market is about to go absurd, which is something that is obvious to just about anybody who watches, crypto on a daily basis. So what happened to it? Well, at one point about a month and a half ago, it was like 74,000, and then it dropped down, was it 2, 3 days ago to 57,000. And, there's always the element of people who run around thinking that the sky is falling, let's sell because the sky is falling. It's all over. Guys, the Bitcoin halving just happened. There's all kinds of charts out there. There's all kinds of influencers out there telling you, what their take is on it. And what my take is on it is when you go and you do your research and you see what is going on and you see what the predictions are. The predictions are for well over 6 figures for Bitcoin. So when it goes down to 57,000, the sky is not falling, right? What's going on is this. The big boys know what's going on, right? These guys know the psychology of the retail investor. They know what makes people tick. And we have the Fed, are they going to raise rates? Are they going to lower rates? Are they going to keep it the way they are? Everybody's worried about it. Well, of course, people start selling. When people start selling, what do the big guys do? They maneuver things, help liquidate some positions and such things, make it drop down even more. And then what do? They wait for, a little inside information, maybe. I'm not saying just it could be, for that, or they wait for everybody else and they say, so what did the Fed do? The Fed, doesn't do anything. And the Fed starts talking about possibly, cutting or something like that. Or there's speculation that, the rates are going to be cut the next time. Why? Because, job reports come out and they don't look so good. And when the job reports don't look so good, or at least they're less than what they were, then people say, well, the inflation, the market is starting to contract. So how do you contract the market, or how do you expand the market when it's contracting? Well, then you got to cut the interest rates, which makes the market happy. It's like this whole cycle of things that go on. But the big guys know all of this stuff, and they just sit back and they wait. And people are thinking the sky is falling at 57,000, and we're now at 63,868. Just let me check this real quick. 63,845, right? But we're up over $4,700 in the last 24 hours. So is the market going to go crazy? Well, let's check this out over here. Yeah, Bitcoin recovery faces non-farm payroll test. It's it's going to be positive. Bitcoin traders set 6-figure price targets. This is yesterday, 42 minutes ago. Bitcoin opened $63,000 in future gaps as thin liquidity threatens BTC price. There's always someone who goes against things. But SpotCoin ETFs see reduced daily outflows. So when you're seeing reduced daily outflows, and if you go and read that story, you're going to have inflows that are much bigger. Rise of Bitcoin ETFs and future market implications. Bitcoin hits 22,000 as cryptos bounce. It's going to happen, everybody. My opinion, not financial advice, but it's going to happen. And one of the things you can do here is, if you're not already a millionaire, guys, let me fill you in on something right here. We have this other little exchange going on over here, the SWAPNGO.EXCHANGE, which is going to have a pre-sale coming up in about a week and a half, 2 weeks, I don't know, something like that. Keep watching my channel. I'll fill you in on it, right? But we're going to have a pre-sale. We have cross-chain coming. We have cross-chain pre-sale coming. We have games coming. We have all kinds of things that are coming, all right? And we have a very, very small circulating supply coming up with the S&G token. It's going to be 100 million. So you're going to want to take your money take it out of Bitcoin, you make it, take it out of other places, and then you're going to look for things that are going to explode. My personal opinion, this is going to explode. You're going to wish you were in it. Okay, so I will see everybody later. Have a wonderful weekend and happy trading, everyone.